Out of India, a London-bound plane carrying 242 passengers and crew has crashed in the west of the country.
After a passenger plane crashed near India's Ahmedabad.
June 12, 2025, a domestic flight took off from Ahmedabad airport. Just a few minutes later, it crashed. Lives were lost, families shattered, the entire nation shocked. And now everyone is asking, what went wrong? Was it a technical failure, a human error, or something else? But here's one important question nobody is asking. Could this accident have been prevented using data science? Modern aircraft have thousands of sensors. These sensors track everything: engine temperature, fuel pressure, wing vibration, airspeed, altitude, even the tiniest noise or bird near the engine. All this data is continuously recorded. But data alone is not enough. We need people who can analyze it, find patterns, detect early warning signs. That's exactly what data scientists do. Using machine learning models, airlines can predict mechanical issues even before they happen. For example, if the engine is heating up too fast, the system can alert the team even while the plane is still on the ground. If the system detects abnormal vibration or air pressure, it can suggest immediate checks before takeoff. Predictive maintenance using data science has already saved lives in countries like the US and Japan. So why not here in India? In India, aviation is growing fast, but we need more trained professionals who understand data, people who can build models, analyze flight data, and give smart recommendations. Data science is not just for big companies, it can actually help save lives if you're a student, fresher, or working professional. This is the right time to build real skills in data science. Learn how to read data, build prediction models, and maybe one day your skills will stop the next disaster. Join us at Data Science School, where we teach not just code, but impact. Because data is not just numbers, it's power, it's life.